Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are in one of the most touristy places in the whole city. We are at the London Eye. It was meant to be in the background, but the sun's coming from the wrong direction. So yeah, we're gonna have a look around in the area and I'm not sure what else. But yeah, let's go. Okay, here it is, the London Eye. It's basically a massive Ferris wheel. I've been on here once, long time ago. It is quite expensive for a ride. I don't know how much at the moment. But yeah, and right now, because it's a bank holiday and the weather is amazing for some reason, and we don't like it. We're always complaining about the weather in England. It is packed. Let's carry on and see what else is around in this area. This is a much better view. But yeah. The sun is right in my eye. It's terrible. Yeah. It's probably one of the busiest days ever.